kurungsak dari kurungsak. That is the reason. Okay, tahu ang kok paitak di sini, esok jorabo paitak dia. Hai sakau, ini je shiru yang the knowledge. Am tu kisah narratives nak jago, je knowledge ngakai civilized borok di thani sini tongko. Okay. Agar civilized kok thai baik, tapi kok thai kerumsat city. Anda kalau bersama, mungkin tu city ni borok ya. Contoh borok halau family borok, we are private, we are uncivilized. Okay? Noro, apa uncivilized? Noro, city aku tong yang nak, noro kita ni tu knowledge beri. You don't have any knowledge system. Tahu mana yang kah? Noro civilization ni, je hierarchy tu mana? Civilization ni macam hierarchy tu mana? So your position in the hierarchy of the civilization is at the bottom end. Ini jadi kita ni Kokborok mungkin nung pot kaya, nung hamya, nung citra, nung batasan mukhang ya. This is how hegemony works. Hegemony ang tingin samtango. Oh hegemony ni sinino, tini. Hata ni sini borok pai sao. Nini Kokborok no sinago kay moti sinago, sute sinago. Ani sate kiri. Tama kay an pot kaya. Tama kay gan tani simong kiri. Tama kay an dolio tong ya porong halang se tong. These are the narratives. And if you were to fight back, you have to understand the logic behind the narratives. Narrative ni upro ko tam samutang ito. Tamo musuh mas samutang ito. No berani kita makan. Awak kita kelima yang bagai sebuah lagi yang beda. Say, tahu sama-sama kok sawan. Amo sebaik sangat tu lazman kita nanti. Cini bisingo, group, bocini baru, Tripura sini bocini baru, cini baru kita, baru Kokborok speech communication plan apa? Siapa? Baru tahu Kokborok ni kau dulu. Tengok ni, apa ni? Baksa sao Tripura kok ni sao? How play? Social media ko open mo. What are the reasons? It's a narrative. Narrative created by whom? This narrative created by the borok ni bisino, as a group ni bisino, khaglai mo, kheklai. Apa sebab nak nak? Sini baru tu je, sini je WhatsApp group tong leko. Kamu bukan nak. What are the narratives? What is the motive? Sabuk naik. Northeast India. Northeast India ko apa state? You just think of a state of Arunachal. Arunachal major tribal languages more than 50. And minor language and dialects more than 100. And almost 150 dialects and languages are there in Arunachal. Kashan kok baik tak kashan kok? Bila baik. Okay. Tahu Ami mangui. Awan, pokoknya kelamaan kau tuh makan ada. Bono kebang bagai di bono kayak kaum kerja. Ini mimpang kantor. Isi kita kamu kerja. Ini sasak pakai kai. Oh, ami mangui je. Bukan taman bisa deh. Bagaimana pun pan mau dia makan box semua kerja. Ini cung kau ami dolro. Makan jaga asli tu. Kia baca kau wala ni. Because between the lines, যেটা সুইজার মানে আমরা উপরে হয়ে যায় শাখা সুইজার মানে যেটা একটা করে সুইজার মানে আমরা সুইজার উপরে ফিয়াবা দুইটা লাইন নিতে সারো সুইজার একটা করে যেটা সুইজার মানে আমরা উপরে ওকে আবার every fiction ni global borok ni wasuma এই সমাজ বিনি যে হারমা আউট অফ রিফ্লেকশন চিনি kokborok bisimo amti tawan sakti fiction sudhanno deborma hajuk koriyo tai aji ko chetwa Shivan Chimini fiction things, I don't know. It's the wrong concept. Fiction, kind of prose way, this one also is a wrong concept. Concept of Tamoba, but it's a create narrative, create Kaizai, Chini, Nini, and Ipokako, those are the concept. Concept just around a changing mood. Kaisa jaraw sadak to mari adela sal prithvi no se shock kore ni nai that was the concept and we lived with that concept for thousands and thousands of years but now we don't know it was a false concept hey hai shakawa ultimate truth hine muncha gari is there anything in this multiverse that you can call it the ultimate truth. Nothing. Tini jeta truth hine nungwan suge tolo khana haba false concept hine true. Ba magai ni chini shimo jorame baksa bini je horizon to mana ho warinu thango abani kono pai mari kali. 좀 호모세피언스니 하임 샤가고 미시부스 탐에도 I cannot say. Dinosaur opposition was of Haim Shagor as Saranka. But we the Homo sapiens, Jung in Haim Shagor family, only 3 lakh years. Only 3 lakh years. Equity was Suna Tomotai Hakanam will lock also. I can say equity was a Sukunation. He will be in Haim Shagor. Here actually second dinosaur Pleistocene Nijarawo 25 crores years from in a progress of the sun. So who are we? We are nothing.